Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of the poem Golden Chain. English workshop Golden Chain. Warming up. First question. Do you have an old friend? Answer. Yes, I have an old friend. Second. What is needed for friendship to grow? Answer. Trust, love, help in trouble and mutual understanding are needed to grow friendship. Third, how do you feel if you don't have any friend? Answer, if I don't have any friend, I feel bored, alone and unhappy. Next, why do we spend a lot of time in the company of friends? Answer, we spend a lot of time in the company of friends to have fun, get pleasure, forget all worries, and to know everything about our friends. Next, why do we share secrets, happiness, and sorrows with our friends? Answer, we share secrets, happiness, and sorrows with our friends because we love and trust them. Next, write 5 points each about do's and don'ts in true friendship. Do's: helps in times of trouble, give proper advice, trust your friend, share everything with friends like happiness, sorrows, etc. Show his mistakes even if it hurts. Always encourage your friend. Don'ts: don't allow you to copy answers during exams. Don't cheat or deceive him. Don't tell friend's secret to anyone. Don't desert or leave him alone in trouble. Don't argue with him. Don't discourage him. Next, we have already learned that when there occurs a comparison in the lines of a poem, the figure of speech in that line is a simile. For example, as bright as a star, tall just like a tree. However, if the comparison made in the line of a poem is indirectly understood or suggested without using words as, just like, and so on, then the figure of speech is called a metaphor. For example, Ria is the star of our class. Life is a game. Play it well. Now say which of the following are the examples of simile and which contain metaphor. First, twinkle twinkle little star like a diamond in the sky. Simile. Second, the stormy sea as dark as coal. Simile. Third, old mighty tree, your branches span the sky. Metaphor. Fourth, time is money. Metaphor. Fifth, like a caged bird sadly sings. Simile. Sixth, more than clouds you are soft. Metaphor. Seventh, the rose is the king of flowers. Metaphor. Next, when opposite ideas occurs in the same line of the poem, the figure of speech that occurs in that line is called antithesis. For example, up and down the hill they flew. Many are called, but few are chosen. The best of times, the worst of times. Indeed.